Prod Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR. You're back with another video, and yes, we are going to pick up the car, and I'm ever so excited about it. I had a feeling that it would be done. Today is Monday, and because you know, they probably had the paint job done Friday, and probably let it cure over the weekend and everything. So, you know, hopefully everything is good by the time we get there, and give it a walk around and make sure everything is solid, you know, where it's supposed to be, looking how it's supposed to look. I low-key want to get this thing ceramic coated or something. You know, you get a fresh bumper, man, that's like fresh paint, you know what I'm saying? You want to keep that looking as clean as possible for as long as possible, you know. So I don't know, a bra or something to put on the car, maybe ceramic coated, I don't know. But anyway, man, so headed up here to Ren's Body Shop now. Go and pick it up, check everything out, make sure everything looks good. Holla at y'all when we get there. Yeah. First cold start since I got it back. That's my first time hearing it, like driving off since I got the work done to it. That thing sounds stupid. All right, y'all, so we got it back. Everything looking good so far. Look like they might have tried to clean up on the outside a little bit, but yeah, so this is the front end right here. This was where all the damage was. Smooth, baby, smooth. Everything is fitting back properly. They even gave me some clips, you know what I'm saying, some extra clips for this back part here where I put the lip on, so that's extra sturdy now, you know. Got the headlight bezel on right here, that's looking real nice. Everything looking pretty good, man. Everything looking real good. Man, look at that, man. That thing is clean. Got a little bit of workshop residue on it, but that's all that is. That can come off, ain't no problem. But other than that, man, everything looking real good on this thing, man. So we back in the game, baby. Yes, sir, we back in the game. We can go back and do some things now, man. You know what I'm saying? Everything, she sound good. She looking good. Got my baby back, yeah. Let me get that thumbnail real quick. Alright, thanks. Let me go in the car now. I'm gonna holler at y'all for a second. Whew, got the car back. Everything is good. I ended up having to pay a deductible, you know, standard $500 deductible or whatnot. But I'll get that back because it just so happens that the guy that hit me is with the same insurance company. So that works out. That works out great. I just gotta stay on them, you know, and remind them because they can't slip through the cracks. But other than that, man, she back looking good. And it's funny that this happened because now I got new bumper paint, got the bumper painted, and now I got the front bumper painted too. So this is almost a full-blown paint job, almost, you know. I'm not saying that I wouldn't even want to hit me, but I definitely don't want that because I definitely did not like being away from the car. But yeah, I mean, shoot, man, I'm happy, man. I'm glad to be back. Glad to be back in the game. Now let's get back to some content that we really wanna see. I stopped because I don't know, some of y'all actually want to see accidents and stuff, but I'm not trying to get y'all that kind of content all the time because that's just gonna get expensive, and I'm not trying to do that kind of damage to my car. But anyway, if this is your first time and you like the video, man, you glad I got my car back, hit that thumbs up button, drop a comment below, man. Let me know how I look to y'all, man. Let me know what you think. Other than that, man, it's your boy JR. I'll holler at y'all in the next one. Y'all be safe out here in these streets. Peace.